Hello and welcome to the Data training series. This video will cover how to make a regrouping user-defined variable. This type is useful whenever you need to combine the values of a single variable. We are going to regroup these 10 values in the household income variable into 3 border values of lower, middle and upper income groups to create the new variable. Click on the new item in the action bar and select regrouping variable, or right-clicking on the space next to the variable's name to select regrouping variable. We will name this new variable income group. Next, choose the category where the new variable will appear on the variable list page and other MarketSight pages. We will put it in the demographic category. If you did not select a variable before choosing new on the list page, or if you did not right-click to access the variable menu, your next step will be to choose the predecessor or original variable to base the UDV on. For example, you would normally search for income here to bring up any variable with the term income in its name. You will see that the variable is already listed here, so we can bypass that step. Next, create the new bucket or values for the variable. Click on the Add Value button. Give the new grouping a name. Then check the values from the list to the right. That should be counted together in the new value. Repeat this process as often as necessary by clicking on Add Value. Add a name. Then choose the original values that should be counted. Note that some values may already be grayed out. These cannot be chosen because they have already been used in a previous value. Put another way, the regrouping values cannot double count. Finally, we will create our last bucket. Click OK to create your new variable. Now that we are back on the variable list page, we can see our new variable in the demographic category. This regrouping variable can now be used in any other MarketSight items such as crosstab, chart, dashboard, data view, or even another UDV. Thank you for watching.